What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Dr. Crypto back at it again. Today is Sunday, the 25th of April, 2021. Yes, this is my second video for the day. I dropped one very early this morning. It got some good reception. If you like the kind of videos that I provide to you guys every single day on the crypto markets, and also dropping new low cap gems every now and then, please smash the like, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell. Let's get into it. As you can see, just I think I jinxed Bitcoin. I definitely think I jinxed Bitcoin. I think it was a video I did yesterday, or maybe it was one early this morning. I can't even remember. But one of my very recent videos, I spoke about Bitcoin closing above that 50K mark every single day, or 45 or 47 consecutive days in a row, where we had Bitcoin close above the 50K mark, and we broke that trend. All right, so now we are sitting, well, not well below, but sitting below that 50K mark right now, and I think we have closed the daily candles for the first time below that 50K mark since I want to say whatever 45 or 47 days ago it was. All right, and as you can see, Ethereum in Binance Coin, they are pretty much doing their own thing right now, and we have Bitcoin still trending downwards. We still see in the top 20 or so, we are having a lot of, pretty much a red day for the coins in the top 20, and except for a few winners here, we have Solana still pumping. Where is it? Doge, Uniswap still pumping, I think, because they're having their version 3 coming out soon. And yeah, we're having a big correction right now in the top 20 coins, except for Binance and Ethereum. They are, trending green right now. Let's get into it. So I have some reasons, or not, I have some things here on the charts, right, that I want to point out to you guys. So as you can see right now, we are definitely oversold in the Bitcoin chart, and we are on the RSI, the relative strength index, dropping right below the 30 level on the relative strength index. And I'm gonna have to zoom in right here, or zoom out, I guess. Yeah, zoom out. And as you can see right now, what we're holding currently, I hope I don't jinx it again, is the 45K mark, for currently sitting at since February 9th, I think is the date, the original date I have here. At February 9th, we are holding the 43K mark actually since February 9th. This was the 50K, and we closed that candle right here below that 50K. And we have right now 43 is the next one I'm looking at as that line in the sand to be holding for 100 days consecutively. As you know, once Bitcoin reach a certain price and hold that price for 100 consecutive days, then it coils up and springs, an order of magnitude to the upside. And what does that mean? Just like in the video I pointed out, that's basically a 10x from that up, from that point on. So if we hold this 43K, we can see Bitcoin go anywhere from where it is right now and 10x. So we're looking at a 400K plus Bitcoin. All right, this is just my observation, not to be taken as financial advice, of course. Next, coming from Instagram, give me a follow at Sergeant Crypto on Instagram. And Cryptomaniacs pointed out on Instagram here, all right, in this video, all right, is Bitcoin preparing for another huge price increase to 75K? So here it is. I'm gonna play the video real quick. It's about a minute long or so. So once it loads, let me get the bar up.
See the Bitcoin price start shooting up again. So if you look at this tweet, it says that the second largest USDT deposit to exchanges since early February. And in early February, we saw up to 3.4 billion deposited into exchanges of USDT. And now something similar is happening, with up to 2.4 billion deposited into exchanges of USDT. Now, what does this signify? Now, if we look back at the Bitcoin price in early February, Bitcoin was sitting at around 34K. And towards the end of February, we saw Bitcoin shoot up to 56K.
So I'm gonna pause right here. So that 34 to 56K is a 64.7% bounce. Now, at the lows, recent lows right now, if we're seeing the same thing play out, where we have a massive amount of USDT being deposited on exchanges, we could see a big bounce in Bitcoin's price. Okay, and if we see the same kind of bounce to the upside in Bitcoin's price of 64% increase in price from right now, from around 47K, 46, 47K, we're looking at a Bitcoin price of about 75K. Let him continue.
That could be happening right now. Off the back of the Joe Biden news, Wells took advantage of the situation of all the newbies coming into the market. And now I think they're looking to load up and start buying back into Bitcoin after all the profits that they probably made from altcoins. So that's my take on it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.
But again, this is Cryptomaniacs, and give them a follow on Instagram. All right, that's my guy Antonio from the UK. He's a world traveler, man, and he does great videos and great graphics here on Instagram at Cryptomaniacs. All right, let's get into the next story. Next, all right, big news. Eminem partners with Gemini's nifty gateway to launch his first NFTs. 3 types of NFTs are up for sale. And just like it says, NFT, Eminem launch NFTs. They'll drop during ShadyCon, an online festival devoted to his NFTs. And it might be because he saw Saturday Night Live, right? They released a parody video on his song and then made it an NFT and made bank. So maybe that was the impetus to get him to start or develop his own NFTs as well. Plus, everybody's making dough from NFTs right now anyway, right? So it may have been the recent Saturday Night Live skit on NFTs that piqued the rapper's interest. In the skit, a rapper played by SNL cast member Pete Davidson explained what NFTs are to the tune of Eminem's Without Me, and they basically sold it, all right? There are 3 types of NFTs up for sale, each of them high-quality animations with an original beat produced by Eminem himself. There are 50 editions of the first 2 NFTs, which are titled Tools of the Trade and Still Don't Give a F. The cost, $5,000. Those quick enough to buy them will also really receive a physical print numbered by hand and autographed by the rapper. So he's also given a physical print of the NFT signed and autographed and numbered by him. The third, Stan's Revenge, is an edition of 1 and will sell to the highest bidder. So you know that's going to pump, okay? It's unclear who animated the NFTs. And he's partnering up with Nifty Gateway by the Gemini twins. Can't go wrong. Can't wait to see the results of what happens with these NFTs. They're going to pump. Next, coming from Decrypt again, former NYSE, okay, New York Stock Exchange president, crypto is the best kept secret in the world. So this is coming from the president, or former president of the New York Stock Exchange, right there on Wall Street. There it is, Wall Street, New York Stock Exchange. All right, the former president of New York Stock Exchange, Thomas Farley, loves crypto, but mostly Coinbase and decentralized finance. Farley, now the CEO of fintech investment firm Farpoint, told CNBC's Squawk Box on Thursday that crypto is the best kept secret in the world and maybe in the history of financial markets. I keep telling people, man, right now, we are still super early in this crypto game. If you could just imagine everything coming over from the traditional markets, from the stock markets, from the art world, all right, coming over to our world, we are still super duper early, all right, still super early. Don't worry about the per unit price for Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you could just dollar cost average in and get your piece of the pie, I definitely think you will be setting yourself up great for the future. Not financial advice, of course. All right, so I'm all in. I love, I'm all in on crypto. And to hear it coming from someone from the traditional financial world, hey, I know I'm heading in the right direction. I'm all in, Chaired, the former Wall Street exec. I think the crypto space is amazing right now, notwithstanding the press it's gotten. All right, Foley's interested in decentralized exchanges on which investors trade crypto without intermediaries like Coinbase. It's fascinating, and we've passed the point of no return, he said. We're past that point right now. So even if governments, try to, shut them down and try to tax the hell out of cryptos, right? We're past the point of no return. This is something that they can't stop right now. Unless they shut off the internet, we're past the point of no return. And that's why I keep telling people that are scared to jump in, that are like, oh, well, what if they do this? What if they do that? What if they don't? All right, stop being afraid and learn as much as you can, and then dip your toe in and then slowly dive in, okay? Don't just jump all in all at once, but learn as much as you can, because we're still super early right now. Next, this is coming from Crypto Slate. Korean tax officers seized $22 million in crypto directly from exchange accounts. Again, do not leave your cryptos on these exchanges. Not I'm not saying that to avoid taxes, right? But again, that's a central point of attack for anyone, not just the government, but bad guys as well. They could go in there, hack those exchanges, and steal your cryptos. Not your keys, not your coins. Get your cryptos off these exchanges. And South Korea's Seoul metropolitan government has seized 25 billion won, or $22 million worth of crypto from tax evaders directly out of the exchange accounts. Local news outlet, I'm not going to try that. No, I'm going to try it. Yonhap reported yesterday. Betting on price rallies. We are continually being asked by delinquent taxpayers to refrain from selling their cryptocurrencies, as they will pay their taxes, a city government official said in the press release. So they're just getting it and they're selling it right away. But these quote-unquote delinquent taxpayers is like, yo, don't sell my cryptos. I'll pay whatever you want. Just don't sell my cryptos, because they know the price will increase over time. All right, for example, an unnamed head of a hospital who had $11.2 million in cryptocurrencies immediately paid $520,000 out of his $900,000 in tax debt, and provided security for the rest, asking the government not to sell his digital assets. So he made $11.2 million, and they're only asking for $900,000 in taxes. I think that's fair, okay? I don't know what the percentage is, but that's not even a full 10%, all right? And that's what they're asking for. And, if you got to pay your taxes, just pay taxes, man. They're not even asking for a full 10%. So he made $11 million, and they're asking for $900,000. Hey, pay your fair share, man. Pay your taxes, dude. All right? Next, again, coming from Crypto Slate. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index reaches early pandemic levels of 2020. And here it is. I'm not even going to read into this article, but here it is. This is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Here it is. It's at 31. It hasn't been at 31 since last year during the pandemic. Right now, when there's fear in the streets, it's the perfect time to be buying cryptos, or the perfect time to be buying, period. Okay? Fear in the streets, blood in the streets, buy. That's what I do. Not financial advice. Let's discuss in the comment section below. Smash the like, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. It's Soldier Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.